easy to debit yourself in order to credit another person. You know as dey be now, once money comot from your account, you know as dey be now. It's not easy. Encourage them. Agwa nke hapụ ịgwa mmadụ. No now. Encourage them. These people are going through a lot. These people, they will take care of their mama. They will take care of their papa, their sisters, their brothers, and even come take care of their side chicks. Appreciate them. It's not easy. They are going through a lot. I beg, if you're a man watching this video, never give up. Never giving up no dey for dictionary. But take life small small. Don't rush. I beg, don't rush. No talk say because your friends don't make am, because of pressure say others don't make am, you won't make am by all means. No now. Just take it easy. You will make it. Alright? Don't lose hope. I'm encouraging you today. Don't lose hope.